Hello guys, welcome to another video. Now we all know that TradingView is a pretty helpful tool, but there are some problems with using the free feature. Like you cannot add many indicators, you cannot create custom watch list and many other things. Now what if I told you you can use many of the TradingView features, the premium ones, for free? Can't believe, right? But we have a solution for you. Done has integrated TradingView with its platform, and now you can use many of the premium features of TradingView for free in the Done app. So let's see how it's done. Step 1, head over to done.co. अगर आपके पास Done account already है, then log in right away. If you are new to Done app, then open your Done account using the link in the description. Once you log in, you will be headed over to the home page. Once you log in, just click on the stock that you want to watch. For example, here I can see Infosys, and over that you can see TradingView. Once you click on that, you will be taken to the TradingView integration of the Done app. Let's check the features one by one. First of all, you know that you can put any time frame that you want, and you also have different tools like the trend line one or the Fibonacci tools and many other tools. Most importantly, you can add n number of indicators. So let's say you want to have 5 indicators, you can add them and you can see that it perfectly works fine, right? ये बहुत बड़ा advantage है. If you are into short term trading, you use a lot of indicators, then this is the feature that will definitely help you. Next cool feature is chart layout. So let's say आप multiple stocks observe करते हो at the same time, or you observe the same stock in different time frames. तो आप क्या कर सकते हो? You can choose different charts layouts like you want. For example, let's say मैं Infosys trade कर रहा हूँ and want to watch multiple time frames of Infosys. So in the bigger screen I can put daily time frame, and in the lower screen I can put 4 hours, and finally in the smallest one I can put 1 hour. So as you can see, it's pretty cool and helpful for short term traders. The next good feature about Done app is the n number of chart layouts that you can save. For example, let's say कुछ stocks में आप RSI use करते हो along with Bollinger Bands, and कुछ stocks में you just use the moving averages. So now you can save this layout. How do you do that? Just come here, click on this, make a copy and type the name that you want, and your chart layout will be saved. On the other hand, you can come here and you can create another copy where I'll just say moving averages, and the chart layout will be saved. So now if I want to use these chart layouts, I can just click here, click on load chart layouts, and आप देख सकते हो I can choose any of the layouts that I want. If I click on MA, then you can see that my moving average layout will be loaded. The next feature which I personally liked a lot is that you can create n number of watch lists, right? So I am someone who creates different number of watch lists for trading. For आप क्या कर सकते हो? Let's say you're watching swing trading. So आप क्या कर सकते हो? You can create a new watch list saying swing stocks for the week, right? Hence, by creating multiple watch lists for different strategies, you can reduce your confusion and keep your mind clean. The next cool feature is that you can buy stocks directly from the chart. So let's say you're doing short term trading or long term trading, you are looking at the chart and you know that okay, this is the right time to execute the order. So you don't have to go back to the terminal and trade. Instead, what you can do, you can directly buy from the chart. You can just click on buy, enter the number of units that you want to put. For example, let's say I want to buy 10 units, right? If you want, you can take profit and stop loss levels right away and choose your product. Let's say I just want to do intraday and I want to buy at market price. I just have to click at buy, and you can see the order is already executed, and you can see this ticker on the chart. So now I know that okay, this is my entry position, right? Now I can also add stop loss and target if I need, and you can also see that every time I take an order, an arrow is added to show that okay, I traded here. So that is also a very important feature here. And let's say I want to close the position, I just have to click on cancel here. That's one other thing. And another thing is you can see that with just one tap you can reverse your position. Let's say I am on buy side here. Let's say I want to do reverse my position. If I just click here, you can see that my buy order is cancelled, it's sold, and I have initiated a new short at this price, right? So you can see your trading becomes much more better and easier. And once you feel that you have entered, you have got the right price, or you want to close the position, with just one click you can close it. So as you can see, within 1 minute I was able to buy Vodafone Idea and then close the position. I was also able to short it and also close the position. So this is how cool this feature is. I can also create basket orders from directly the charts. So once you click here, the basket option, you can create a new basket. Let's say for this example I'll talk about investing, right? Let's say I want to invest in 10 companies. I have a basket of 10 companies. So what I can do, I just have to add the companies here. Let's start with Asian Paints, and I want to buy one and it's for delivery. I just add to basket, and I can add n number of companies. Let's say I want to add Pidilite Industries. You can add equity, futures, and also options, right? So doesn't matter if you're a trader, investor, anyone, you can create baskets and you can add them. Let me add one more finally. Let's say Reliance. As you can see, I can add equity, futures, or even options. So I choose equity and for delivery and add to basket. And you can see that this is my basket. So let's say the time has come and I want to buy all the stocks. I just have to click on execute selected orders, right? I have to come to my baskets. Here I'll be able to find my basket, investing, execute the selected orders, and you can see that with just one click all the orders will be executed. And you can do it for futures and even options. The another added advantage for both options and futures traders is that you can see all the data right over here. You can just click on this tab and you'll be able to see the option chain here. You can see where people are buying and selling, and the same thing works for futures also. So when you open futures, again you can see details of where the major buying and the major selling is happening. And you can also add open interest as an indicator. You just have to go to indicators and type open interest, and you can see that you can find open interest of all the options contracts. So now you can trade both Nifty and Bank Nifty options directly through charts. Also don't forget that there are no ads here, so you can trade peacefully without those creepy ads interfering in your trading. Now if you want to see the complete option chain, all you have to do is come to the done home page, click on the one that you want to see, for example Bank Nifty option chain. Here you can see the open interest, the basic options chain. For example in this you will find the strike prices and the basic details. You can see the open interest data. You can see where most people are interested in. Finally, if you click on advanced option chain, here you will get all the details that you need for doing options trading. So here you can see you get all the details starting from theta to delta to OI change, and basically you don't have to go to any other website because every detail that you need is here and it's available for all the expiries. Finally, the coolest feature that Done has brought in is that now you can actually go to tradingview.com and integrate your broker account directly here. Okay, so if you come down here and choose trading panels, you can see before you used to see all these different forex brokers, right? But now you have an Indian broker, stock broker, that you can connect directly. So you just have to connect your Done account with TradingView and you will be able to directly trade from charts. So once you scan the QR code, you can see that my account is finally logged in, and now I can directly buy the stocks that I want directly from the TradingView website, not from the Done app. So let's say I want to buy Idea. Okay, so let's say I want to buy at the market price. I just have to click on buy one at the market price. And you can see that I am able to execute the orders right away from the TradingView website. So if you are someone who uses TradingView only, then this is the coolest feature you can use. Just integrate your Dhan broker with the TradingView app and directly trade from the TradingView website. And if I have to close it, again all I have to do is just click this close position and my position is closed. You'll be able to find all the details here. What are the orders, account summary and everything. Thanks for watching this video till the end. I hope this was helpful. I'll see you in my next video.